yeah. I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Raising the Lees. I am doing another recipe video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing my chicken and sausage foil packets. I am going to be doing a voiceover for the remainder of this video. Y'all know how I be. a little awkward, but for the sake of the video and the time crunch that I'm in, I'm not going to walk you guys through the video like live, but I will do the voiceover so it could be a little bit quicker and I can speed through it a little bit faster. But I am going to go ahead and show the ingredients. This recipe is super easy, super basic. You don't need a lot of ingredients at all, and it's easy to customize based off of season and taste buds. So if you don't like certain vegetables, then you can take them out, switch them out for something different. If it's the summertime, you want to use more summer appropriate vegetables, you can do so. If you want to, like, you know, customize it your own way, it's really easy to do so. And I love doing these in the summertime because you can actually just throw them right on the grill, let them cook with the hamburgers.
Up in paradise up above, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream, if I could take you up in paradise up above, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and home with me again. Oh,
I know I'll get tons of questions on these runner wraps. I got them from the Dollar Tree. And then I have my potatoes that I have diced into small bite-sized pieces, the zucchini and bell pepper, chicken, and smoked sausage that I cut into little crescent sizes. You will notice there is no onion. I will add the onion later, but onion as well. And then I have my Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, seasoning salt, some good old-fashioned pepper. Then I eventually will pull out my rosemary and garlic. There it is. And I'll add that too.
A happy little mountain. Straight edge on it, so it's very easy. Maybe in our world here, there live a happy little mountain.
Okay guys, so the foil packs are finally done. They took a little longer than I anticipated because I didn't have the oven up high enough. So I ended up boosting the oven up to 425 and they cooked a lot quicker then. So they're finally done. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. I do want to mention the fact that I wanted to, when I initially put this meal on the menu, it was supposed to have corn on the cob with it, like inside the foil pack. So I was going to have the halves. But it was still froze. Like I said, this meal was kind of rushed, but I did not want to buy takeout. So here we go. That's like one of the things missing, and I really wish I would have had. But nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and eat it. Eat it right out the foil. I just set it inside of a styrofoam bowl because I'm gonna get fancy. The picture is taken inside the foil, so I ain't even gotta plate it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it for you guys and let you guys know I like it. But yeah, I'm really mad I don't got the corn. Like, I really wanted the corn. Woo! It's really good, really flavorful. Y'all know I like to season my seasonings, so it is really flavorful and really good. You need the corn. You need it. You have to put the corn. Like, so much to the point where I lightweight want to go ahead and just boil some corn and throw some corn in there. Like, that's how much you need the corn. But nonetheless, I love it. And please let me know if you try it, how you like it. Make sure you add the corn though. When you make it, you add that corn. And then tell me how you like it. But nonetheless, we are chucking on this list, and I will see you with the next one. Bye.